Right, so there's been some interesting things happening, and I managed to kind of import one Polish guy called Tomek. There we go. Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, and we are doing this, and it actually works quite well. Like we might be able to resurrect this piece of Swedish junk, maybe one day soon, in the next 15 years. Yeah, but yeah, it's actually quite.
We got the idea for that.
I don't know where he learned to speak English, but anyway, yeah. The light is really shitty, but it's okay. Yeah. So, hopes and dreams. Yeah. See you later.
Except for gluten-free, which has 7. Oh, interesting. They added more sugar to gluten-free.
It seems like that Irish Supreme Court could have been just a little bit of a scam to like, let's increase that tax rate a little bit.
Yeah, probably.
Let's get that bread tax. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, show them the fucking what's what.
What's what?
40 degrees today. Whee!
There's the a country actually housing that money there to pay less tax.
So I don't think it's going to make anything better. You know, I think the bureaucracy in this country is so clogged up and fucked up and ineffective.
That's better.
Which is weird when you hear him talk because he's got this heavy Russian accent. What is his face, man? Look at that.
That's not good.
He's got. Yeah, like, can we see it? Right.
Yeah.
Cheers. Oh.
Yours sounds best.
Hey, you're number 2, huh?
2 friends. Shape the American mind.
Oh yeah.
He's got
read.
He's got the Christian every story.
Made most of the really popular books were like How to Spot Witches.
No.
Yeah, I always thought like, old books, like we're gonna pass down our knowledge of mathematics. I was high as fuck. I was high as fuck.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because the vials, the liquid form,
the liquid form
is more potent.
Oh yeah, that would be great.
One of the I've been doing it for a couple weeks.
Yeah.
And I feel fucking ready.
Probably would have been fine, but there's just too much twisting and yanking, and you know, kicking is so, especially spinning.
Yeah.
There's so much work on your knees. There's so much going on.
How they do what they do. I did this. There's 2 stories I'll tell you about this. So I did this once, on the planet, and you know how the universe is expanding.
There's
I
a
felt
hole.
like my heartbeat, just psychedelics and stuff like that. Sometimes have a similar experience of deep connection with other people through this thing. And that's why I'm not someone I don't believe in God, but I know
The atom of is far more infinitely, not just part of something
good.
that's far more impossible than that. That so much of what we see, like in fractals, we like to think that the universe is so vast and so amazing that that's it. What if it's not? What if it's just a part of a cell that's a part of something far larger? We are here but a brief instant of your wonder and some of the information during your lifetime to life. It's way better than it's ever been before. People, very source of everything, and it brings things to it in a very messy way. And that's what we're moving towards, the source of ultimate love in the universe in a very.
Take that back 12,800 years ago. Look at the massive bombardment that took place then. Evidence as far away. time indeed. Nobody's really done the calculation.
And that one shows a sky.
Yeah, they have vents. They have vents to the sky to allow air to come in. But you have to consider if you've got 10 or 15,000 people in, they can't really stay longer than about 2 or 3 weeks, which is about the time it takes to pass through the torrid meteors.
What do you think of the
Otherwise
welder?
You're going to get a huge amount of human.
Okay. Okay. That will do.
Inhospitable.
You want the hat?
Not yet.
Yeah, you see? I think it needs to be. What you can do is cut.
But the body is bented, you know.
Yeah, it's going that way.
This is higher.
Yeah.
This is okay.